I've heard how easy it is to make your own cashew milk, so I'm gonna give it a try. I have 1 cup of raw cashews, no oil, no salt, and I soak them in water overnight. And look how much softer they become. You can really just like split them open. And now I'm just gonna drain out the water and we're gonna get blending. So here are my cashews. I drained off all of the water. I'm gonna put them in my blender. And now we're gonna add our water to it. So for 1 cup of cashews, it is 4 cups of water. I doubled the recipe, so here are my cashews and all of the water. And now I'm gonna add some vanilla and some cinnamon. I did a tablespoon of each. If you wanted more natural sweetness, you could always add some maple sugar or dates, but I'm gonna keep it really clean. So I'm just ready to blend. So I let it go for about 2 minutes. And now I think it is ready. Let's see. There you have it, homemade cashew milk. Let's see how it tastes in my coffee. I think it's pretty amazing that we went from that to this. It was so easy with really little effort. I'm gonna have my French press coffee. I'll make it like a cafe au lait with some of this yummy, rich and creamy cashew milk. Delicious. Enjoy, give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think.